1. Here number of independent variables, number of independent variables, what I have written? Less than kadadi, greater than 1. Number of independent variables more than 1. That is the difference between ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. Ordinary differential equations and in the ordinary differential equations, number of independent variables 1. In partial differential equations, number of independent variables more than 1. More than 1. Okay, dear students, okay, can you please read what is the differential equation I have written? What is the dependent variable here? Why dependent? What is the independent? X is independent. Only one independent. What is that? X. Okay. And Y is dependent. This is very important. X is independent. But coming to this example, dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y equal to 0. What is the dependent? Always the variable which is in the numerator, paina unnadi dependent, denominator lo unnavi independent. Numerator lo unna variable enti? Dependent. Denominator, now tell me what is the dependent? Z is dependent. What are the independent? X and Y are independent. Now please count how many independent variables it has. Tell me. That is why it is partial. That is why it is partial differential equation. Here it has only one independent variable. That is why it is ordinary differential equation. It is ordinary differential equation. Okay, dear students, please listen to me. Mathematics is not just solving the equations, finding the roots, or writing an algorithm. It's just understanding. Mathematics is understanding. To be mathematical means to be reasonable. To be mathematical means to be analytical. To be mathematical means to be logical. To be mathematical means to be eternal, to be precise. If you know the mathematics, you will develop your analytical thinking. If you know the mathematics, you will develop your creative thinking. Your logical thinking will be improved. How to solve certain problems in a different way. You will choose different ways, which is correct, which is not correct. Even Thomas Alva Edison, who is famous for inventing the bulb, he was successful in his 101 attempt. The first 100 trials are failed, but he was not disappointed. So what he said, I found 100 ways which do not work. I was succeeded in a 101 way. That is the way of positive thinking. So why I am talking this? Already I have studied unit 1 and unit 2 related to the differential equations, but most of you are not able to tell the at least definition of an ordinary differential equation. What you are concentrating in the class, I don't know. మీరు ఏం కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఏం వింటున్నారు, బేసిక్ డెఫినేషన్స్ కూడా రావట్లేదు మీకు. దట్ ఈస్ వై ప్లీజ్ బీ ఫార్ టు ద సోషల్ మీడియా, ప్లీజ్ బీ క్లోజ్ టు ద అకాడమిక్స్. దెన్ ఓన్లీ your life will be very better. Copy that. Have you understood the difference between OD and PD? Yes or no? Yes. Copy. What is the dependent variable, dear students? In PDE, partial differential equation lo, second lo, dependent enti? Dependent డిపెండెంట్ జెడ్, పైన ఉన్నది డిపెండెంట్, కింద ఉన్నది ఇండిపెండెంట్. మరి చూసి చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఈస్ డిపెండెంట్? ఇండిపెండెంట్ చెప్పాలి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై. డిపెండెంట్ జెడ్, రైట్ సైడ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఎక్స్ కామా వై? 2. కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ పీడీ. పీడీ మీన్స్ వాట్? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? మోర్ దాన్ 1. అది obviously number of independent variables more than 1. Okay, right. Is it okay? Are you able to see the screen clearly? Yes. Okay. Can someone please remove this? They are very valuable. Nachi దగ్గర ఉండొద్దు అవి. Have you finished? Now, right. Consider everyone, consider this partial differential equation. This variable z is dependent where x comma y are independent. X comma y are independent and z is a function of x and y. Z is a function of x and y. Z is related to x and z is also related to y. Z is also related to y. Have you understood this? Okay. Note that. Z is related to x, z is related to y. Then z is depending on s both x and y. This statement is very crucial. All of you, can you please repeat this statement? Z is depending on both x and y. Okay. Z is common to x, z is common to y. See, it is like a parent to the children. Z is a parent to the children. Here, what are the children? X comma y. Who is the parent? Z. Z is a parent of x and y. Z is a parent of the two children, x and y. Z is common to x and y. Okay. Right? In, all of you note this, partial differentiation where x comma y are independent variables differentiate partially with respect to x, treat y constant. Similarly, when we differentiate partially with respect to y, treat x constant. Okay? This is a very, very important principle. Without this principle, we cannot go further in the partial differentiation. You cannot understand the concept also. This is the most important condition when we differentiate partially with respect to x, treat y constant. Similarly, when we differentiate partially with respect to y, treat x constant. Are you following? Okay. I am giving the excellent basic here. If your basics are good, then you are able to solve any kind of problem. But without proper basic, it is not easy to understand the high level problems. Okay, now see. Don't concentrate outside. Concentrate in the class. Have you wrote? Who is talking? May I know what is the answer? Differentiation of a constant. Yes. అక్కడికి వస్తే చూడు. What is the differentiation of a constant? Same constant. When you differentiate a constant, either with respect to x, with respect to y, the output is 0. The output is 0. Dou by dou x of 2. What is the answer? Dou by dou y of minus 3. 0. Are you clear? Okay. First understand, we are differentiating with respect to x. The function is also x. Both are belongs to same family. Both are belongs to, everything is in terms of x. Same family. When these two are belongs to same family, then Ordinary differentiation formulas, partial differentiation formulas are partial differentiation formulas, ordinary differentiation formulas are same. Eppudu when means when the function and the variable ఇవి రెండు సేమ్ ఉంటే ఆర్డినరీ ఫార్ములాస్ పార్షియల్ ఫార్ములాస్ రెండు సేమ్. దెర్ విల్ బి నో చేంజ్. చూడండి ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్ సేమ్ ఫ్యామిలీ మీరు అన్నట్టే అకార్డింగ్ టు యూ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ డో బై ఆఫ్ వై ఆన్సర్ 1. ఆర్ దే బిలాంగ్స్ టు సేమ్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ? సేమ్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఓకే. డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ సేమ్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ? సేమ్ ఫ్యామిలీ. Differentiation of x square to x. Dou by dou y of y square. Tell me. 2y. Dou by dou x of sin x cos x. Dou by dou y of sin y cos y. Dou by dou x of e power x. Dou by dou y of log y. 1 by y. I know you will say e power y, that's why I changed the example little bit. But have you understood the concept? Yes. Log y, same family, same output. Ordinary output, partial output, both are same. Differentiation of sin, cos. But where is the change? Sir, when the ordinary formulas, partial formulas are same, where is the difference occurred? That I will explain in the next explanation. Once you copy, I will give you the exact concept of partial differentiation through some examples later. First you notice this. Okay? First you note this. You may notice and you may note clearly. Yourself, పంపిస్తా నేను. Don't do the stupid things in the class. These are all friendly examples. Now the fightings will come in the next slide. X friends, Y friends. But where is actual rivalry exist between these two? That I will explain in the next examples. Okay, now please, your body and mind both are present. Okay, yes, your physical body will allow you to sit on the chair, but it will not grasp, it will not listen, your mind will listen. Okay, so that is why please be concentrate on the following examples. What is your observation? Belongs to the family. Here, what is the function? Y. What is the variable? Are they belongs to same or different family? In that case, simply the answer is 0. When they belongs to the different families, X and Y, opposite family. This is called opposite or different. Simply the output is 0. Simply the output is 0. Similarly, can you please explain dou by dou y of X? Yes? 0. These two belongs to same or different? Different families or opposite families. Now, dou by dou x of y square. All of you say? Right. Y x different family. Dou by dou y of x square. What is the answer? 0. Answer? 0. Dou by dou x of sin y. Y and x. Dou by dou y of sin x. Answer? 0. Okay. See, dou by dou x of x plus y. That is okay. Dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou x of y. May I know what is the answer? These two belongs to same or different? Same. What is the answer? These two belongs to different. Dou by dou x of y 0. Are you clear? Dou by dou x of x same family 1. X y opposite family 0. Okay. Dear students, dou by dou y of x square plus y square. Can you answer this? First term ఏంటి? Dou by dou y of x square plus dou by dou y of y square. First output ఏంటి? Sure? Reason? They belongs to x, y. X, y. Completely which family? Different family. Answer 0. Ikkada y. Dou by dou y of y square. How much? 2y. What is the answer? 2y. Now, ఇది చెప్పండి లాస్ట్కు. Dou by dou x of x cube. Y power 4. That's it. This is the partial differentiation. Okay? Are you clear? Note. Silence. And I will give you one problem for your practice. Once you know the basics, then I start formation of partial differential equation. Yes. Please don't divert your attentions. Is the mic okay? Okay. May I know the answer for the last question? -2y. Nice. Good. When you are perfect in these simple problems, then the remaining concept will be easy. Without knowing this concept, if I finish the syllabus, it is waste of time for you people and me also. Right. Are you clear? Now, the next topic is also very interesting. I need the same attention, okay, for everyone without eyes here. Our biggest enemy is our eyes only. Please control. The problem starts. This is the first part where the problem creates. It creates an attraction, it creates a lust, it creates the infatuation, everything. So please be control in your eyes, then everything will be in the control. Inside organs will be under control only, and this only the main organ will disturb everything. Now, see. Okay. Dou by dou x. May I know what is k? Very nice. Constant. Okay. In this case, you comfortably take k outside and concentrate on x. Concentrate on x. Release the k from the jail and punish the f of x. K is the innocent. It's a constant. Release from the jail. Jail and inside nunchi beta పంపియండి and concentrate on x. చూడండి. Dou by dou x of 2x. Who is the constant? Sorry, what is the constant? 2. X is not a constant. X is a variable. Okay. Take 2 outside. 2 into dou by dou x of x. What is the dou by dou x of x? What is the final result? 2. Are you clear? Sorry, is it clear? Does all of you understand? Chapandi? Okay. Now, same speed, same spirit. 3x square. Now I want to listen from your, okay, now, yes, from you. What is outside? 3 outside, okay. 3 into dou by dou x of x square. 3 into 2x. Why 3 is outside? Because 3 is constant. Okay. Now, dou by dou y of 4y cube. 4 outside, dou by dou y of 4 into 3y square, which is okay. Most important thing is this is and in the beginning today only have written 2 points and I also highlighted with yellow color. Edge లో yellow color తోని హైలైట్ చేశాను. ఒక 2 పాయింట్స్ రాశాను. అదేంటి ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు దాని అవసరం మనకి ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. In partial differentiation, when we differentiate partially with respect to x, y constant. When we differentiate with respect to y, x తో differentiate చేస్తే y constant, y తో differentiate చేస్తే x constant. ఓకే, చూడండి అందరూ. Okay, x into y square. Okay, we are differentiating with respect to x. What is constant? Y square. Like k, like 2, like 3, like 4, you may take y square also constant. because here treat y square as constant. Dou by dou x of x 1. What is the answer? Y square. One more example. We are differentiating with respect to x. Doubt లేదు. What are the constants ఇప్పుడు? దీంట్లో ఉన్న constants ఏంటివి? 3 constant. బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. రైట్. ఇంకా y also constant. Yes. Y also constant. What is left? Dou by dou x of x square. What is dou by dou x of x square? 2x. What is the answer? 6x. Okay. See, dear students, 2x power 4. Please watch carefully. This time we are differentiating with respect to y. Y తో చేస్తున్నాం. Constant ఏంటి? X constant. Yes. Treat x as constant. This is the correct way of writing. Okay, now in the multiplications we are sending the constant terms outside. Now what is the final result? What is the final result? Into 2y. 4x power 4. Take this. And I'll give you enough time. Before you note, if you spend some time on the board and you may understand and copy, I have no objection. You must understand. With respect to x, y constant, that is why y outside. With respect to y, x terms constants outside, concentrating on y. Next, I will tell you 2-3 examples related to z. Then I will start the first concept, formation of partial differential equation. The problems will be very simple and you will easily understand it. Those who have written, instead of wasting your time, once again just concentrate on, okay, now what is common, what is the differentiation of x square, y 3 and y cube are written outside. Once again just note down. Okay, now store in your hard disk in the sense your brain. Okay, next. Everybody, we are talking about the children, but we forgot one important person, parent. Who is the parent of x and y? Z. It is a time, it is enough time. We have discussed about x and y. It is enough. X, y, completely maatladukunnam. అసలు పేరెంట్ నేను మర్చిపోయాను. హూ ఇస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ x and y? That I will bring into the picture, right? What will happen if the derivatives are with respect to z? Now, have you noted? Okay, dear all, have you noted? What is your name? Yes, stand up. Are you interested or will you leave? నేనే అబద్ధం చెప్తున్నానంటవా? సారీ కూడా చెప్పండా? అంతే మరి, ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఒకరే రైట్. సిట్. ఓకే డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, here z is a parent of x and y. Z is a parent of, okay. When z is a function of x and y, the first derivative is dou z by dou x. Dou z by, because z is common to x and z is common to y. Z is common to x and z is common to, and z is a parent of both x and y. Now similarly, can you please tell me the next derivative? I am expecting the answer from the student community now. What is the answer? Once again. Okay. It is very easy. Just z is a function of x. Dou by dou x of z square, 2z. Differentiation of z square, 2z. Differentiation of z square, 2z into dou z by dou x. Dou z by, because z and x are different family. Z and x are different family. Now I will make the concept clear. What is the dou by dou x of z cube? Same flow, continue. Dou by dou x of z power 4, continue. 4z cube into, okay. Concentrate. Differentiation of z square with respect to y, 2z into dou by dou y of z cube. Yes, everyone say. 4z cube into dou z by dou y. Now see, be careful. Dou by dou x of x. Sure? Sure? Dou by dou y of y. Dou by dou x of y. Same family or different family? Same or different? Z. Dou z by dou x. Z దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసరికి చేతులు కట్టుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే XYకి అది మదర్, XYకి పేరెంట్. పప్పులు ఉడకవు, Z దగ్గర మనం పప్పులు ఉడకవు. ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని డో Z బై డో ఎక్స్ రాయాలి, లేకపోతే కట్టె స్టిక్ పట్టుకుంటుంది మమ్మీ. వాట్ ఈస్ డో బై డో ఆఫ్ Z? Yes, that is the respect that we give to the parent here. Z is special case. Z is our parent, like our mother. We have to differentiate. Please don't put zeros like that. Okay, na? XY are enemies, but not Z. Okay? Have you understood now? This is the partial differentiation. Now all the basics are given. It is the time to start the first concept once you note this. Take. Yes.
ఈవినింగ్ నీ నోట్స్ నేను నా ఫోన్లో నేను స్కాన్ తీసుకుంటా అంతే.
Right. Are you following, dear students? Are you following? Can you please bring yourself, sir? Can you please adjust one chair to me in the front? Okay, chair.
నీకు థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yes, all of you note down. Who is talking? Sometimes you have the differentiation between the same family. Ordinary formulas will occur. Opposite family, zeros. But Z, be careful. Z is a parent of both X and Y. Once again, we have to write the answer. Okay? Right. Yes. Who is talking? Everybody. Stand up. Yourself. నువ్వే నీ వెనుక. Are you not interested? Then why are you not concentrating? This is the last warning. Sit. So, what are the derivatives that I have written? Dou z by dou x, dou z by dou square z by dou square z by yes. For these derivatives, there are alternative alphabets also available. In the partial differentiation, this is represented by small p. And instead of writing dou z by dou x, we may write small p also. Both are same. And it is represented by q. It is represented by r, s, t. What is p? Dou z by dou x. Q, r, s, t. All of you, dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y equal to 1 is same as p plus q equal to 1. Is same as p plus q equal to 1. Not that. Sometimes the derivatives are equations are written using derivatives. Sometimes they are written using the alphabets, small alphabets. Please don't confuse. They are p ante dou z by dou x. Q means dou z by dou y. Not d square, dou, very clear. There is a lot of difference between d and dou. D ordinary, we use dou for partial. Please aware of this difference. Okay. Now note, sorry, first topic. Formation of specs guy. I'm watching you closely. Formation of what is the first concept? Formation of partial differential equations. Okay. First question. Form a partial differential equation. Form a partial differential equation from by eliminating a comma b from form a partial differential equation by eliminating a comma b from z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Now listen completely. Ax plus by so what is the relation? Z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. What are the independent variables? X and y. What are the constants? What are the constants? It contains how many constants? Two constants. What are the two constants? When it contains two constants, differentiate two times. Differentiate because it contains how many constants? Two constants. Now, differentiate one partially with respect to x. the differentiate the equation with respect to x partially. Are you listening? Tell me. Dou by dou x of z equal to dou by dou x of z equal to dou by dou x of ax plus by plus a square plus b square. This is dou z by dou x. Separate, apply u plus v formula. What is the first term? Dou by dou x of ax. Dou by dou x of by. Dou by dou x of plus b square. Okay. And dou z by dou x is what is the alphabet? P. Here, what is constant? A is, take A outside. Dou by dou x of x. Here, we are differentiating with respect to x. What is b constant as well as y also constant. Both are constants. Both are. Here, is there any x term? In by, is there any x term? What is the answer? Why? Because there is no x. This middle expression does not contain any x term. B constant, y kuda constant. Akkada anni constants unnai. Here there is no x term. B is constant, y also constant. When we differentiate with respect to x, y constant, b constant, total constant, that is y 0. That is y 0. And may I know what is the difference between, differentiation of constants? What is the differentiation of constants? Because a and b are constants. A and b are constants. Have you understood? Yes. And all of you, please make a note. With respect to x, 2 is constant or not? Y cube, 3, all are constants. There will be no output. There will be no output because this is completely constant with respect to x. Okay? Now, dear students, a dou by dou x of x 1. Therefore, p equal to a or a equal to p. P equal to a or a equal to p. Both are same. Now, this time differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. Partially with respect to y. Tell me. Dou by dou y of z equal to dou by dou y of ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Dou z by dou y. Dou z by first term. What is the first term? Dou by dou y of ax. Second term? Dou by dou y of by. Last term? Dou by dou y of a square plus b square. What is this? Q. What is this? P dou z by dou x. Q dou z by dou y. And okay. What is the answer? Excellent. What is the reason? My reason could cheppandi. X, a, rendu kuda constants. Enduku constants? We are differentiating with respect to y kabatti. Y to chestunnam, andulo y term ledu. In the first term, in a and x, there is no single y. Asalu y ledu andulo. When we are differentiating y, but unfortunately there is no y. That is why the answer is 0. Okay. Here, y undi, but what is b? Take b outside. Dou by dou y of y. and differentiation of constants, finally what you are getting, q equal to b or b equal to q, b equal to q. Now okay, what are the two results that we obtained? A equal to P, B equal to, now substitute A equal to P, B equal to Q in 1. All of you just wait. And substitute A equal to P, B equal to Q in the given differential equation. Appudu adi em avutundamma, Z equal to replace A with P and B with Q. Cheppali, Px plus Qy plus, this is the answer. That's it. A and B are eliminated. A and B are eliminated. Aipoyindi. It's over. Yes.
First bench, concentrate.
Of course, it is hidden. Can you please able to identify what I have written? Y. Differentiate one partially with respect to y. That is x. This is y. By symbol. We solve one more problem in the elimination of constants. Later functions also easy. Dear students, have you understood the concept? Yes, easy. Problem is very easy. What is our aim? We must eliminate A and B. That is done. Successfully, that is done. Second question. And once again, what is P? Dou Z by dou X. Q, R, S, dou X, dou Y. T, right. Okay. response. Last, form a differential equation. Form a differential equation by eliminating a comma b from z equal to ax cube plus by cube. Z equal to ax cube plus by cube. It has how many constants? Everybody, it has how many constants, sir? First differentiation is with respect to x. Start. First differentiation with respect to x. Dou z by dou x, dou by dou x of ax cube, dou by dou x of dou z by dou x p. What is outside? A. Differentiation of x cube, a equal to everybody, we are differentiating with respect to x, but both are constants, b and y, both are constants. Opposite family and constant, 0. No, there is no x term. There is no x term. Okay? Therefore, p equal to a into 3x square. A equal to p by 3x square. Differentiate one with respect to y. Dou z by dou y, dou by dou y of ax cube, dou by dou y of by cube. Q equal to 0, b outside, now completed, huh? Nice, good. Substitute these a and b in the given equation. Everybody, substitute a and b in the given equation. What is the result? substitute a equal to p by 3x square, b equal to q by 3y square in 1. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందమ్మా z equal to p by into x cube plus cube 3y square into y cube. X square x cube cancel, z equal to p by 3x plus q by 3y. 3z equal to, yes, send 3 to left side. Now that means we successfully eliminated a and b. Have you understood? Yes. Now take the new heading. Everybody. Formation of partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary functions. Dear students, may I know the difference between the previous concept and the present concept? Both are formations, but where you find the difference? In the previous concept we eliminated the constants. Now here we eliminate functions. In this concept we eliminate functions. In the previous concept we eliminated the constants. That is why I highlighted. Now see, I will explain the problem. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating the function f from z equal to f of x square plus y square. Can you please read the question? Form a partial differential equation by eliminating the function f. Here what is the function? F. Children, z equal to what is given? F of x square plus y square. Please don't copy. Give the priority to understand. Girls, listen first. What is the first step? Differentiate with respect to x. Now note, dou by dou x of z equal to dou by dou x of, okay. Have you understood? Yes, differentiation with respect to x. I will explain very slowly. Please listen. First bench, Vinanama. Dou by dou x of z, dou z by dou x. May I know what is the differentiation of dou by dou x of f of x square plus y square? I will ask a simple question. May I know what is the answer for this? was? The answer is correct, but the way of telling is wrong. మీరు చెప్పే ఆన్సర్కి కరెక్టే, కానీ చెప్పే విధానంలో రాంగ్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ 2 చెప్పొద్దు. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ cos 2x into 2 అలా చెప్పాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్? cos 2x into 2. Here what is happening? చూడండి, here we have two things. What is the first one? What is the next one? What is the first priority? First priority దేనికి ఉంది? Second priority. Okay, now see here. Okay, same problem. First priority goes to, second priority goes to. Okay, what is the differentiation of sin to x? Differentiation of sin to x? Yes. Differentiation of sin, cos. Differentiation of sin to x, cos to x. Okay, this is over. Second priority, 2x. Dou by dou x of 2x. Cos 2x into, what is the dou by dou x of 2x? 2. This is correct, but you are telling 2 first. It's not. What is the correct answer? Cos 2x. And first the main function is differentiated. First main function differentiated. This is differentiated in the last. First main, next second one. Indulo kuda, what is the main? What is the main? This is main. This is secondary. F is the main. X square plus y square is the secondary. Now tell me, what is the differentiation of f of x? What is the differentiation of f? F dash. What is the differentiation of f? F dash. Differentiation of sin? Cos. Differentiation of sin? Differentiation of f? And what is the second priority? Dou by dou x of x square plus y square. Like that. First priority goes to f, main function f, that is our target, main target. Next, that one. What is dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x, p into f dash of x plus y square. What is the answer? 2x plus 0. Therefore, e equal to f dash of x square plus y square into 2x. Say this is A. This is first result. Okay. Now, differentiate one, dear students, with respect to y. Can you please tell me the steps? I will write here. If you differentiate this with respect to y, tell me. Dou z by equal to dou by dou y of f of x square plus, this is q. What is the first priority? F. What is the first priority? F. F derivative, f dash. F derivative and second target? Yes. Simple. First target is f, second target is inside. Internal. X square plus y square. Now q equal to f dash x square. Dou by dou y of x square, opposite family. Opposite family. Plus dou by dou y of y square, 2y. Therefore, q equal to f dash of x square plus y square into 2y. Say this is b. This is b. Now, what is a by b? What is a by b? A by b. Now divide these two. In A, what is the LHS? In the first equation, what is the LHS? P by. What is the LHS? Q. What is the right side? RHS? f dash x square plus y square into 2x. What is the right side? F dash x square plus y square into, therefore it is eliminated. 2 also, what you are getting? P by Q equal to, that is the answer. Easy or not? First priority goes to F. F differentiation, F dash. Yes. వాడు పడుకున్నాడు అబ్బాయి లేపండి. Silence. Yes. Concentrating. ఎక్కడ చూస్తున్నాం? నాట్ అవుట్ సైడ్. సరే. Next. Dear all, have you understood this? Okay. Next heading, Lagrange's I will write the spelling. Who is talking? Right. Lagrange's linear someone is talking. first order. And Lagrange's linear partial differential equation of first. Lagrange's linear partial differential equations of first order. A differential equation of the form capital P x comma y comma z into small p, capital Q x y z into small q equal to r of x y z, or simply p into p plus q into q equal to r. Where P, Q, R. Dear all of you concentrate. You are observing some capital letters. What are those? P, Q, R. What are those? They are either functions of x, y, z, constants or constant. And this is familiar. You will identify. What is small p? Small p, dou z by dou x. Small q, yes, is called Lagrange's, is called which equation? Lagrange's equation of first order. Lagrange's equation of first order. This is called Lagrange's equation of first order. Now, everybody, to solve this Lagrange's equation, we have two methods. One is grouping, another one is multipliers. That I will explain. They are very easy. Okay. Yourself. Everyone, kindly note, before you solve, it is very it is very important to identify the Lagranges. It is very easy to identify. Then only you are able to start. See here, I will write some examples. P plus y square minus zx equal to z square minus xy. This is in which form? Please check. This is in which form? P into P plus Q into Q equal to R. Yes, 100%. This is capital P. What is capital P? X square minus yz. What is capital Q? And what is capital R? This is the Lagrange's. That equation is Lagrange's. Simple. P into P, Q into Q equal to R. Okay. Now see, y square z plus z square x into Q equal to x square y. This is also in which form? P into P, Q into Q equal to R. What is capital P? Capital Q? Capital R? See, this is also in the Lagrange's. It would only. What is capital P? Capital Q? 1. Capital R? 1. Okay? Yes. This is also Lagrange's. This is also. This is in which form? Cheppandi, a form lo undi. P into P, Q into Q equal to R. This is R, this is Q, this is P. Note this. Yes, stop talking. Now I have clearly written with yellow to identify P, Q, R supporting. What are P, Q, R? Either X, Y, Z are constants. Either X, Y, Z are constant. Tell me, what is the Lagrange's equation? An equation of the form capital P into small p, capital Q into equal to capital R. What are P, Q, R? Capital P, Q, R functions of X, Y, Z are constants. They may contain X, they may contain Y, they may contain Z. Constants also. And small p, strictly, small p means dou Z by dou X. Small q, dou Z by dou Y. From the beginning only, small p dou Z by dou X, small q dou Z by dou Y. See, these are just example. Now we are going to find the solutions to this. We are going to find the solutions. Right. Note, to solve these Lagrange's equations, to solve these Lagrange's equations, we have two methods. To solve these Lagrange's equations, we have two methods. First method, method of grouping. First method, method 1, method of grouping. Grouping, G-R-O-U-P-I-N-G, method of grouping. Next, second one, method of multipliers. Method of multipliers. Yes, all of you. To solve these equations, we have how many methods? First method, second method. What is the first one? Take the heading, method of grouping. Method of grouping. Yes. Everybody, last benches. What is the Lagrange's equation? What is the Lagrange's equation? P into P plus R. Nice. Was I written exactly same? Any mistake? No. PP QQ equal to R. Simple. PP QQ equal to R. Now, you have heard this word many times. What is the word? Here, the auxiliary equations are, see, dx by capital P, dy by capital Q. What is the next one? Guess చేయండి. చాలా easy. Yes, tell me. Now, select any two pairs and solve. Dear all, select any two pairs. Nivi balutadi. Useless fellow. Listen here. Here, I am selecting these first. This is my first pair. And yes, dy by q equal to dz by r. I have selected last two as one pair. Or if you want, you may select first and third also. Any two comfortably. Yes, you can select any two which are very comfortable to solve. I have selected two pairs. What is the first pair? Dx by p equal to dy by q, 1. And what is the next set? Dy by q equal to, and solve. That means integrating. That means what? Integrating. If you solve, you will get the solution u of xy equal to c1. We get, and if we solve, we get v of, what are the variables? What are the variables? Y, z. Here, what are the variables? X, y. Once you are integrating, you will get how many constants? One constant. After integrating, you will get how many constants? One constant. Solving in the sense, we are integrating. Solving in the sense, integrating. After the integrating, you will get one constant or not? Here, what is the constant? C1. Here, what is the constant? C2. Now, the complete solution is, dear students, phi of u comma v is 0. That's it. What is the complete solution? Phi of u comma v equal to 0. Select two pairs, integrate. Select two pairs, integrate. The result is the answer. Combine the result, that will be the answer. Take. Doubt unda? Cheppu. Cheppamma. ఇంకొకటి ఇలా అనుకోవాలి. One is a function of another. One is a function of another. ఇప్పుడు 2x 0 పై డాష్, అవునా? దీని డెరివేటివ్ ఏంది? పై డాష్. దీన్ని మళ్ళీ ఎస్ డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ పై డాష్ 2x జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 2z డో z బై డో ఎక్స్ 2x ఈక్వల్ టు పై డాష్ 2x మైనస్ 2z p. వైతో చేస్తే 2y ఈక్వల్ టు పై డాష్ 2y minus 2z q. X by y equal to this by that. అడగండి. integrating both sides. It is just theory. It is not a problem. In the problem, I will show you how to integrate. Everybody, go. All of you, during the hours, it is not allowed. It will be a big disturbance. I was the clear instructions. Go. And everybody, it is just a theory. I have not selected any problem. Please don't ask how you are getting U. Just I represented the output as U. It's not a real life problem. We will select one problem so that I can integrate. This is a theory. The outputs I represented in the form of U and V. Yes. Any problem? Everybody concentrate. Please cooperate with him, so that he can adjust the settings in the background. Once completing the first sum, I'll wait before I proceed to the next. Definitely, everyone will understood without any doubt in the first problem. The concept will be clear. I'm waiting for the screen. And yourself, Nana, చిన్న 20 minutes ఉంది కదా ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పుకుందాం అనిపిస్తుంది. 20 minutes ఉంది కదా లంచ్ కన్నా ముందు చెప్పేద్దాం. లాస్ట్ రికార్డ్ కాకపోతే ఏముంది చెప్పు. ఎక్కువ టైం కూడా లేదు కదా. ఎస్ ఎస్ yes, one mic resound is coming. Dear all, please concentrate. Please concentrate. I will give the time to copy. Solve plus it is my turn. I will solve. Look here, everybody, last benches. What is the given? Tell me. Y square P plus equal to. Okay. Slowly I will complete the solution. This is in which form? It is in the form plus, which is Lagrange's. Now solving by grouping. Solving by that is the important. Here we have two methods. You have to mention which method you are solving. Okay. I selected grouping. What are the auxiliary equations? A is auxiliary equations. What are the auxiliary equations? dx by p, dy by q. Is it correct? What are the auxiliary equations? Tell me. dx by p, dy by dz by. What is p? What is p? Okay. May I know what is q? You are correct. What is r? Okay. Excellent. Perfect. Select first two. Can you please select the first two pairs? Can you select the first two as one pair? If you first two select this code, chapandi dx by equal to, okay, I have selected the first two. Are you following? Vinamma, I have selected the first two. Okay, now z is cancelled. Now move x square to left side. Send x square to left side. It becomes x square dx. Similarly, send y square to right side. Once again. What is IBS means? Excellent. Integrate. Integration of x square equal to, what is the integration of x square? This is plus x cube by 3 minus y cube by 3 equal to C1. Any difficulty? No. Easy. I need one more pair. Select first and third. Select first and third. See, you may ask a question, sir, instead of second and third, why you are selecting first and third means y square will be cancelled. Y square will be cancelled. That is why. Select these two. Dx by first the, and what is the third one? Dz by, yes, get ready to cancel one important term. What is that? Cross multiplication. Cross multiply. X dx. Yes. Sending x terms near dx. Sending z terms near dz. X terms dx దగ్గరికి, z terms dz దగ్గరికి. Now integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Integration of x dx. Integration of z dz. Integrate this. X square by 2 equal to plus, already we used C1, therefore I have to root C2. Now send this term to left side. X square by 2 equal to C2. Equal to C2. This is C2. Now the complete solution is pi r. After this step, the complete solution is, what is the LHS in this equation? What is the LHS? Left hand side, x cube by 3 comma in this equation, what is the LHS? X square by 2 minus equal to 0. Pi of LHS equal to 0. That is the answer. Are you clear now? Yes. Okay. And please wait. In case if you select second and third, x will be eliminated. X, y, z. Numerator y, z, but x will be there. 2 variables in the numerator, 3 variables in the denominator. That is very difficult to handle. By selecting 2, 3, the solution is not possible. Leave it. Select 1, 3. We need any 2 pairs, not all the pairs. Sometimes some pairs are not possible to solve. Reject. Some pairs are possible to solve. Accept. Anni solve cheyalsina avasaram ledhu. Konni pairs rendu saripothayi manakante. Take this. We have an option. Comfortably select any 2 solve. Have you understood here all? Last benches? Yes. this we solve one more problem in the grouping, and later immediately afternoon I will explain multipliers. Later, homogeneous linear equations with constant is very easy. Comparing to this concept, afternoon concept is very easy. Don't absent for the afternoon session. Sometimes I want some people, please don't concentrate outside, because no student is my target. I don't have any enemy on anyone. My intention is just you must follow and able to concentrate. Don't misunderstand me. If you concentrate on the board, there is no way of talking with you. No way of talking and questioning the punishment. Right. My question is. Integration of x square, x cube by 3. Integration of y square, y cube by 3. Integration of x square by 2. Tell me. You want to say something? No? Do you want to say something? You want to say something? ఏదైనా చెప్పాలా ఏం లేదా అయితే ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ నో డౌట్ ఓకే ఎస్ because you students are asking some doubts, that is why if you are always you are welcome, you are free to ask your questions. The most important characteristic of a student is to ask the question. It is said by the great Abdul Kalam. You must clarify your doubts. Right. Next. Yes. Solve tan x into p plus tan y into q equal to tan z. Yes. All of you. What is given? Given tan x into p plus tan y into q equal to tan z. Dear all, stop copying and listen. This is in which form? P into p plus which is Lagrange's. Solving by grouping. The most important observation is we understood that it is a Lagrange's equation and immediately we decided to solve by grouping. What are the auxiliary equations? Auxiliary equations: dx by capital B, dy by capital Q, dz by capital R. Can you replace PQR? Dx by tan x, dy by tan y, dz by tan z. Okay. Now, everybody, please don't miss the explanations. This is the basic. Now I have to select how many pairs? First select the first two. Select first two. Select 1 and 2. Tell me dx by tan x, dy by tan y, dy by tan y. I have selected these two. 1 by tan cot. 1 by tan means cot x dx, cot y dy. All of you, I have not started the integration. Just I have written 1 by tan equal to cot. This is a simple basic trigonometric formula only. Now, the most important person in the mathematics, who is nothing but integration, will come. Integrate both sides. Integration of cot x equal to integration of cot y. Integration of cot y. Now, who will say what is the integration of cot x? Integration of cot x, sir. Very good. Once again. Yes. Log mod sin x. Integration of cot y. Log mod sin y. Plus log c1. Log. Dear all, after the integration, we must take one constant. We must take one constant. But here, both the functions are logarithmic functions. Both the functions are, that is why the constant also logarithm. The constant also logarithm. Instead of c1, I have taken log c1. I have taken log c1. Now concentrate. Plus log c1. Normally the constant will be c1, but when you have logarithmic, it is better to take the logarithm, which is useful for the simplification. Right. Next. Send this term to left side. Send this term to left side. Chapali. Log sin x minus log mod sin y equal to. Excellent. Log a minus log b. Right. Dear students, log a minus log b is log a by b. Yes, good response. Log sin x by sin y equal to log c1. Now remove log. Dear all, remove the logarithm. What you will get? Sin x by sin y equal to c1. Sin x by sin y equal to c1. Next, I am going to assign one job. Select 2, 3. Select 2, 3 and perform in this way. You will get one more solution. Can you please guess what is the solution for the second and third? Sin y by sin z equal to C2. Good. Log A minus log B. Log A by B. And I have removed, before the last step, remove the logarithm from both the sides. Remove the logarithm from both the sides. Here, instead of again log C1, log y, the reason for selecting log means it is easy. Before the last step, the simplification become very easy. Nice. Second one also completed. Will you solve the second and third pairs? Yes or no? Right. You are getting a clarity in the grouping. This is method of grouping. Those who have completed the first one, solve the second pair. Second, okay, nice. I will observe your answers in your notes. C2. Now, what is the final solution? Pi of both the LHS equal to 0. All of you write the complete solution. Pi of LHS comma LHS equal to 0. Everybody, please select second and third as one more pair. Two pairs together. Two pairs we need. Correct. And you may select 1 and 3 also here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 possible. Lot of options. In the previous problem we have strictly 2 options, but here we have 3 options. You may select 2, 3, you may select 1, 3 also. One more pair. Select second and third. Alane. Isko. Ma'am, shall I continue or stop? Okay. Right. Okay. It is a valuable time, 10 minutes, so that you can select another pair and complete. I will observe now. Ma'am, there are another half, 2 more pairs to, 1 more pair to, better I am asking. And everybody, during the afternoon session also, nobody is supposed to leave the hall. No break will be given. Now the complete solution is Z pi of LHS equal to 0. ఇక్కడ అది రాసేసి అయితే యాక్చువల్గా సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ లీనియర్ ఉంది కదా, హైయర్ ఆర్డర్ లీనియర్
అది కంప్లీట్ చేసి మల్టిప్లైయర్ చెప్పేస్తా 3 to 4.
సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్
సార్
లీనియర్
ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ లీనియర్ డి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ డి అది ఉంది చూడండి డి ఈక్వల్ టు ఎం డి డై డి ఈక్వల్ లీనియర్ ఇందులోనే యూనిట్లోనే అది చెప్పిన తర్వాత మల్టిప్లైయర్స్కి వెళ్తా వద్దా ఫస్టే మల్టిప్లైయర్ చెప్పమంటారా
ఏంటంటే అవి టైప్స్ 5
టైప్స్
అయిపోయినాయి కదా
అవును
అవి 3 ఇందులో చెప్పేస్తే అయిపోతుంది
3
సో అందుకని అది మీరు కవర్ చేయాలి
మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ ఎక్కువ చేయమంటారు
మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ ఇది అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ చెప్పారు కదా ఎలిమినేషన్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇంకా చెప్పండి సార్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
సరే
అవి కంపల్సరీ ప్రతి
ఇంకా మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తా
చెప్పండి అవి
ఇంకో 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేసి మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ ఎక్కువ చెప్తా
నన్ను కూడా అడిగారు కదా
చెప్తాను
అలాంటి సమ్స్
చెప్పేసాను ఇప్పుడు
అవి చెప్పి ఈ రెండు ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ చేయండి
రైట్
రిమైనింగ్ మీరు ఇక్కడ అవ్వకపోయినా నేను చూసుకుంటాను డాట్ బ్రాంచ్ నేనే వెళ్తాను
అర్థమైంది ఫంక్షన్స్ మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ మీద ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్తా
అటెండెన్స్ చేయలేకపోతున్నారు
చూద్దాం అలా డౌట్ లేదు ఎస్